let's make some Mexican style sweet potatoes. So this dish is also gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, nut-free. I've forgotten one of my frees. That's it, soya-free too. The first thing we're going to do today is just peel the sweet potatoes and then cut them. When chopping these, depending on the size, I tend to cut them in half and then into kind of 3 strips or 2 strips if they're a little bit smaller. And then it's super easy to turn them into sort of bite-sized pieces. So next we're going to add the spices to the oil. So in here I have some olive oil and maple syrup. We have garlic powder, onion powder and smoky chipotle flakes, which add a really lovely smoky flavour. So we're going to add them. Give it a mix. And in here we've got some cumin, some ground allspice, which is often known as Jamaican pepper. I've got some salt and I've also got some mild chili powder. Okay, so we're just going to add and mix that up together. It smells so good. And once you've mixed that, you just need to pour it over the sweet potatoes. So just mix it together. So we're just going to add the sweet potatoes to the tray. Now, in order to make sure they go crispy, you're going to need to spread them out a little bit. So you might end up with 2 trays, even though you think you only need 1. And I'm just going to add some roasted garlic. And they're ready to go in the oven.
While the potatoes are cooking, let's make the lime mayonnaise. It's super simple. You grate some lime zest and then add some lime juice. Season with some salt and then mix. And that's it. It's all done and ready to serve.
And there you go. And now my favourite bit, when you can get to taste it. Delicious.